In this video, we're going to be discussing the case statement. And the case statement is a really easy way to throw if-then logic around the column in a select statement. So let's see, the query I have over here, and I'm selecting the gender and a comma, so this is a second column. I'm going to say case, when gender equals F, then male. And what I'm reading it as is when the gender column equals M, then return male. When the gender column is F, return female, else return unknown. And you notice I have an end that ends the case statement that is required. And then we have as gender text from users limit 30. So if I give this a run, you'll see the F is translated to female for the second column and M to male for these people. And that's a way of doing it using direct equals. You can also go ahead and modify the data using a range. So over here, I'm saying select the date of birth, and case when the range is greater than January 1st, 2002, you're a child. Greater than January 1st, 1994, you're a teen. Greater than 1976, January 1st, adults. 64 is midlife, else you're a senior. And I'm going to end it and alias that as age category, and then we're selecting from users. Again, there's no joins involved. We're just modifying data on the way out. The one thing to be aware of, the first true condition fires and the rest are ignored. Meaning, over here we have August 20th, 1996, they're a teen. So if we start from the top, 1996 is not after 2002, so this is false. This is the first true statement, so it returns the teen. It doesn't run the other two, because technically 1996 is after 1976, and it is after 1964, yet we get back teen, not adult or midlife. So it's the first true condition fires in a case statement. Now, there's another way we use case statements, which is very popular. I use this quite a bit, and that is to replace null values with zeros. So here's a query that we ran previously using the order count view we created in a previous video. And if I run this, I'm getting back the user ID, the first name, the last name, and the count of orders. How many orders has this user placed? Most of them are nulls, but we get a few ones in here, and I think there's a 2. Ideally, though, I don't want to see nulls. What I'd like to see is a 0. So if we want to exchange nulls for zeros, we can do this. We can have a case statement here, same as above. Let's lower this so you can see more of it. But what I say here is case when order count is null, then return a 0. Else, return the order count. And I'm aliasing it as order count. Same results, except all of the order counts have now been replaced. All the nulls in order count have been replaced with zeros. The ones are still there, because if it's not null, then we actually get the value. And otherwise, the results are the same.